Hey y'all, I'm back again. This time I have a surf and turf bowl. And yeah, happy Wednesday. How y'all Wednesday going? We finna get right into it. Pineapples. I sauteed them too. Got some more yum yum sauce I'm gonna pour over it again. I already have some over here, but I'm gonna pour just a little bit more on top. And all right, y'all. Give y'all the first bite. Some steak and some rice. We're just gonna put that right there. This is lime and cilantro rice, by the way. So I kept my tails on my shrimp because it holds all the flavor. If y'all could taste this, if y'all could taste it, I outdid myself. Let's taste the pineapple. Yep. So good. I ain't even talking. This lime and cilantro rice, it hits. I got a shrimp on here, I can't. It hit different. Y'all try it. If y'all ever make a bowl, try the lime and cilantro rice. If you make this, you can't go wrong. Can't go. Them sauteed pineapples are fire. I'm getting full already. Couple more bites in. I'm gonna go and put her up. You must wanted me to get you. You was right there for me. Fire. Can't go wrong. Y'all go make this. I'll call y'all back. Y'all know that.